this hard.
On the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. And so as I asked her for a name, she smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see.
Hey.
Like that.
What's up, gang? It's a rainy day. We got checking out Avocado Animations Birds for some reason. Now, we just reacted to the newest one, but I had to dive back and go to the older one because y'all gonna say, why did you not react to this one? It wouldn't even make sense. So let's get it. Let's go, man.
Met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. And so as I asked her for a name, she smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see that a woman like that was real into me. She said she didn't have no man, paid to get the very best she can. She told me she was
Hey, this hard.
said I don't didn't have no more. She said doesn't get enough wage. A 59 and was a gold digger. She lied to me, but she was loving me, yeah.
Hey.
I never would have thought she was living like that.
Bro, this literally crying, bro. Look at the bird crying, bro. The moves are amazing. Bird is literally in tears.
So sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels.
Hey.
It felt so real to me. This girl, she had to be an angel sent from heaven just for me. She said she didn't have no man.
Oh.
The very best she loved me. She told me she was all alone. Said I don't.
Hey, they cha-cha slide on Michael.
She said just give her a bitch. 59 was the goal she kept. You lie to me. You got a family.
Hey, this a hit, chat. Nah, that was a W video right there. That was W's right there. You guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that sub. I love you guys. You guys are amazing, bro. But I love you guys. See you on next video. Peace out. Signing out, amigos.